Adding a payment method to your Google account allows you to make purchases on Google services such as Google Play, YouTube, or Google Ads. Here's how to do it. Access payment settings. Open a web browser and log into your Google account. Go to the Google Payment Center at pay.google.com. Click on Payment Methods in the left-hand menu. Add a payment method. Click on the Add Payment Method button. Select the type of payment method you want to add. Credit or debit card. Enter the card details, including card number, expiration date, CVV, and billing address. PayPal. Log into your PayPal account and link it. Bank account. Add your bank details for certain services. Save payment method. After entering the required information, click Save. Google will verify the payment method. You might see a small temporary charge to ensure the card or account is valid. Manage your payment methods. Once added, your payment method will appear in the list. You can set it as the default, remove it, or update details anytime through the Payment Center.